UDRIVE, the key to understanding European road user behaviour. The first large-scale European naturalistic driving study has collected an impressive amount of around 90,000 hours of data in 6 European countries. Almost 46,000 hours of car driving, around 41,000 hours of truck driving, and almost 1,000 hours of riding behaviour on powered two-wheelers. Now, what does that tell us? Which questions can we now answer with UDRIVE data? What makes people drive more or less eco-friendly? Driving with a more eco-friendly driving style, such as shifting to a higher gear at lower speeds, or avoiding unnecessary braking, can result in up to 25% less fuel consumption and emissions in urban areas. Are people actually wearing their seatbelts? That seems to largely depend on country. In the Netherlands, nearly all drivers use their seatbelts the whole trip, whereas Polish drivers fail to do so for at least part of their trip in 1 out of 4 trips. Do truck drivers check their blind spot when turning right? Dutch truck drivers check their blind spot mirror in only 1 out of 5 right turns at intersections. What else do we do while driving that might distract us? Almost 20% of their driving time, truck drivers were engaged in other activities besides driving, such as eating and drinking or mobile phone use. For car drivers, this was around 10% of their time. This is significantly less than indicated by the US naturalistic driving study, which illustrates the value of having a European dataset. These results are just the tip of the iceberg. The UDRIVE database offers answers to many more questions, perhaps even yours. How is driving performance affected by mobile phone use? Do different infrastructural solutions affect drivers' behaviour and traffic flow? When do drivers use the technology available in their car? How do drivers interact with cyclists and pedestrians?
Now the UDRIVE project has come to an end, but the UDRIVE data is available for further research. It offers endless opportunities to further investigate European driving behaviour and ultimately to contribute to improve the safety and sustainability of our road transport system.